To enhance your audio experience on your iPhone, start by diving into your settings. Head over to the music section and find the EQ option. Switch it to late night. This setting boosts the volume, making everything sound much richer. Next, scroll down to accessibility. Tap on audio to visual, then go to headphone accommodations. Turn that on and select vocal range. You can adjust it to moderate or even stronger, depending on your preference. This will really bring out the clarity in vocals and make your listening experience so much more enjoyable. Trust me, these tweaks can transform how you enjoy your music and podcasts.